Is your wood damage larger than a fist? Filling the entire area with wood filler can get quite expensive. Instead, you can save time and money by fitting and gluing in a new piece of wood using a bit of epoxy wood filler. This allows the epoxy to act as a powerful adhesive for the new wood. In this video, you'll see how you can easily do this yourself. The door frame you see here is affected by wood rot. This happened because moisture rose from below and accumulated in the joint between the stone and the frame, enabling the rot to develop. Since the materials were too tightly connected, the moisture could not properly dry out. In this step, I first remove the last layer of paint with a sanding machine. This allows me to accurately assess how much of the rotten wood I need to remove. The most difficult part of the repair is cutting out the affected pieces of wood. If you'd like to know which multi-tool we use for that, just check the description under this video. We clean the repair area and sweep away the dust. We then saw a new piece of wood for the frame. Make sure to leave enough space for the epoxy wood filler. I strengthen the wood to be joined with our wood hardener. This hardens any fibers that might still be soft, ensuring optimal adhesion with the EAZYFIX epoxy wood filler. Do not forget to treat the underside of the block as well. We let the EAZYFIX wood hardener soak in for 25 minutes, then dab the still wet spots with a paper towel. After that, I tape off the surrounding areas so the filler doesn't come into contact with the walls. The EAZYFIX 2-part wood filler is contained in a cartridge with 2 separate chambers. This guarantees the correct mixing ratio of filler and hardener. I apply it onto the mixing board and mix until it becomes a completely uniform compound with no color differences visible. That way, you can be sure it's properly prepared. You can find the link to this product in the description below. At 20 degrees Celsius or 68 degrees Fahrenheit, you'll have about 25 minutes of working time. Spread the filler as thinly as possible across the mixing board. This little trick gives you the longest working time. Here you can see that I first apply a thin layer of filler into the repair recesses. This creates optimal adhesion. I have applied enough filler to the new piece of wood. This layer should be at least 1/5 of an inch thick for optimal long-term elasticity. This way it won't ever crack under pressure. When pressing the wood in, some filler will be squeezed out. That's no problem. Just smooth it back in with the wood piece. If the new piece of wood is a bit too narrow, you can push it deeper into the repair and fill the front with the wood filler. Now insert the second wood piece. With a large repair spatula, use the shape of the existing frame to position the wood correctly. Make sure there is a gap between the wood and the stone wall so moisture can drain sideways. This prevents new wood rot. Once everything is in place, fill the remaining area with epoxy wood filler and shape it with a spatula. It's better to use a bit too much material than too little. The filler fully hardens after 4 hours. Then it must be sanded to ensure good adhesion with the first coats of paint. That's it. Your repair is done. What do you think of these tips? Let us know in the comments.